Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos with Studio Glimpse number 3. I hope you're enjoying these. These are just really short glimpses into my studio and what I'm working on. This is the area where I film, and these are my lights and my tripod. It's very tight in here. This is a second bedroom in my home, in my apartment. This used to be my daughter's bedroom, and now it's my studio, so there isn't a lot of space, but I do have 2 big tables in the room, and there is some room to walk around. I try to have stations when I can, but right now it's all about pouring, so I guess you could say this is the pouring station where I have all my mediums and all the new things I want to try. I bought this liquid glass that I want to try, and I bought Sargent's acrylic gloss, which I want to try as a medium, and I just bought the gloss varnish, which I want to use as a top coat. I bought this Elmer's glue all because I know a lot of people use it. I just wanted to try it on a few pieces. I don't know why I bought this big ass bottle, but I did. And but right now what I'm loving is this PVA. It's neutral pH adhesive. I'm using that right now with some polymer medium and some just regular pouring medium. Where is it? Regular pouring medium by Liquitex. Putting that all together with some Flow Aid, a solution of Flow Aid, and that has given me some really beautiful pieces, and I love the way they've dried. No bumpiness, no crinkliness. I've had some crazing in some of my pieces, so I'm doing a lot of them over. So anything that just doesn't dry well, or the colors look off, I'll just redo them. But these came out really good. I love them. This one I'm calling Blue Lace, and this one is Turquoise Dreams, and this little one right here, I'm going to do a giveaway for that one, and I'm also going to do a giveaway for this one as a thank you to all of you who have been following along and liking and commenting. I really appreciate it. And here are some of my paints. I just recently bought some amazing colors, some more blues. I needed blues. This is cyan, primary cyan, and I just bought that one, and I bought this one, which is the ultramarine, and I think this is my favorite. This is greenish blue, and I need a big one of this, but they didn't have it. And I also bought some cobalt blue. Really beautiful colors. I'm kind of in love. And I did buy a teal by Golden, and I have to say this is so strong. I put very little of this paint in this painting, but it's like it took over. The turquoise really took over. So I have to be aware of that. If I don't want a lot of turquoise, I really have to use very little of this. It's so strong. And here's the infamous cake batter dispenser. I'm so bummed because I messed it up. I forgot to wash it. I was, so busy doing the footage for the videos, and I went and I was editing, and I completely forgot that it had paint in it. And so I've tried to take the paint out, and now I can't. And I really like to have a clean one so that I can, do the videos and maybe do some side angles. And for filming purposes, I'd like it to be clean. But, oh well. And I also recently bought a bunch of canvases at Michael's. They were having that 70% off, the lowest price of the season. They always get me with that. So I bought a bunch because I would like to do some bigger pours. I also want to start doing some resin paintings. Not like a lot of them, but I want to try it. And every once in a while, especially now that the spring is coming, I'm going to do it outside just to play it safe. So I bought some new resin. This is East Coast resin. I don't know. I kind of want to wait till I can do it outside because I don't trust resin too much. Normally I use art resin, but I'm almost out of that. And I bought this other one called acrylic pouring resin, which is weird. I don't know where it is right now, but it's like this new one by Counter DIY. And here's a cool pour I did on a tile. This is so pretty. It doesn't have cells, but you know, I'm not all about the cells. It's okay if I get them, but if I don't, it's okay too. And here are some pieces I'm working on. This one right here is a pour that I want to do a figure on. This one is my mermaid pour. I don't know if you can see her right there, steampunk mermaid, and I plan on painting her so that you could actually see her. And this is a piece here, sorry, that needs another coat of resin. The first coat had some separation on the sides, and I have these separated by deli paper so that they don't stick. This is another piece. This is going on its fourth coat of resin. I'm ready to give up on this piece, but it's so beautiful. I really love it. It just has one spot. One little tiny spot right here that didn't take. The rest of the finish is actually perfect. So it's really bumming me out that I have to put another coat on that. And then this one, sorry about that. This one, I don't know what to do. I was thinking of doing a girl on here, but then when I look at it, it looks like a tree, so I'm not sure. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with that. And then over here is just a stack of pieces or pours that didn't work, or paintings that didn't work, and I plan on gessoing them and sanding them, and hopefully it gives me a smooth enough surface, because so far what I've noticed is even with sanding and adding gesso, I'm still getting this. I don't know if you can see that, but even ones that I have sanded, I'm still getting this effect, and I'm not liking that at all. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I don't know if I'm not waiting long enough for them to fully dry, like weeks and weeks, before I pour another painting on them. Anyway, these are ones that I don't really like and that I'm going to pour over. I kind of let them sit around the house for a while before I decide to pour over them. This one, I feel like it just doesn't have enough contrast. It has some pretty parts though, but I'm just not feeling it. And this one too, and I had some of that same crinkling. I guess this is called crazing. I don't really know. It's like a leathery effect. So I don't like this one, so I'm going to redo this one again. This is just a portrait I did that I'm going to pour over her. This is an old canvas print that I'm going to pour over. Here's another one. This was a disaster. You can see it there. The other painting is showing through. Just not good. And this one was just turned out very muddy, so I'm going to redo that. And this one, I don't know. I may not do a pour on this because I don't like doing pours on the canvas panels. They warp and I don't feel that they come out too good. So I may just do another painting on that. I think that's it. Yeah. So today, later on today, I'm hoping to maybe play around with some resin. And I have this round wood that I bought. I have a smaller one as well that I want to do some resin paintings on. And I already put some polyurethane on the smaller one, so it's ready to go. So we'll see what happens. Thank you for joining me. I hope this is enjoyable to you and fun to watch. And I'll talk to you guys soon.